In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Marblism review to see how this AI-driven platform stacks up against traditional human staffing and generic automation tools. When we look at the core of Marblism, the most striking contrast is the move away from broad AI towards highly specialized personas. While typical automation requires you to build workflows from scratch, Marblism provides ready-to-go AI employees like Eva, the executive assistant, and Sunny, the social media manager. This side-by-side comparison highlights a major trade-off. You trade total manual customization for immediate, role-specific expertise. For business owners, the standout feature here is the diversity of these roles. You can deploy Stan for lead generation or Penny for SEO expert tasks, creating a virtual department in minutes. Comparing Stan to a standard lead gen software, Marblism wins for users who want an agent that understands the context of a role rather than just a database. We also see Rachel, the receptionist, and Linda, the legal assistant, showcasing that the platform covers both creative and administrative needs. The contrast between these agents shows a clear win for Marblism in terms of deployment speed. Each agent is purpose-built to handle specific operational burdens, allowing you to scale without the overhead of traditional hiring. Whether you need an SEO boost or legal document support, this platform bridges the gap between basic AI and a full-scale workforce. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI productivity tools. Let me know in the comments which AI employee you would hire first.